Hands down, the best accessory for the RecTeq Deckboss 590 is a slide-out rack system from Pimp My Grill. In about 2 minutes flat, these rack systems nearly double your cooking capacity, but the benefits don't stop there. Elevate your food up into the smoke where the convection takes place. This is going to help you cook more evenly and enhance your flavor profiles. This patent-pending design installs seamlessly without any cutting or drilling to your grill. The side brackets snap in using a single pressure bolt, leaving plenty of room for your thermal sensor. The racks enter the tracks at the rear of the brackets, and they hit stops so you can't slide them out too far and dump your food. If you're wanting to cook taller items, simply slide the racks all the way in and lift straight up. They come right out. For your long, low and slow cooks like your briskets, your ribs, and your pork butts, you're absolutely gonna love the convenience of this upper rack. If you're interested in this upgrade for your Deckboss 590 or many more mods for your pellet grills, visit pimpmygrill.com or visit your local pellet grill dealer. We'll see you next time.